In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sent email in Yahoo Mail. First, you will need to sign into your Yahoo Mail account. This action is crucial because it grants you access to your emails, including the ones you have sent. On your screen, you will see the login page where you can enter your username and password. After filling in these details, click the Sign In button. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your inbox. This step is essential as it confirms your identity and allows you to manage your emails securely. Once you are in your inbox, look for the option labeled Sent. This is typically found in the left-hand menu of your Yahoo Mail interface. By clicking on Sent, you are navigating to a special folder that holds all the emails you have previously sent. It is important to locate this folder because it is where you will find the email you want to delete. You will see a list of sent emails, making it easy to find the message you are looking for. Next, select the email you want to delete. You can do this by simply clicking on the email in the list. Once selected, the email will be highlighted, indicating that it is ready for deletion. This is important because it ensures you only delete the specific email you no longer want. You want to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong email, as this could lead to confusion or loss of important information. After selecting the email, look for the Delete option, which is represented by a trash icon. Clicking on this icon will initiate the deletion process. You will notice that the email you selected is being moved to the trash folder. This action is significant because it effectively removes the email from your sent folder, keeping your email organized. You may feel a sense of relief knowing that you are managing your email effectively. Now that the email is in the trash folder, it's important to note that it is not permanently deleted yet. This is because Yahoo Mail allows you to recover emails from the trash folder if you change your mind. At this point, you can choose to leave the email in the trash for a while or decide to empty the trash folder later. This feature gives you a safety net and helps prevent accidental loss of important messages. Lastly, remember that deleting an email from your sent folder only removes it from your Yahoo Mail account. It does not delete or recall the email from the recipient's inbox. This is a crucial point to keep in mind, as many users may think that deletion will also remove the email from the receiver's side. Knowing this can save you from potential misunderstandings later. In summary, you have successfully learned how to delete a sent email in Yahoo Mail. Following these steps ensures that you maintain control over your email correspondence. You can feel confident in managing your Yahoo Mail account effectively. Always remember that your email organization is essential for keeping your communication clear and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!